Niguo gutigirira githomo kia mutaratara wa CBC ni kiagacirithio na gukinyanirio guothe bururi-ini, thirikari nene ni itanyitwo gwaka irathi 2,200 kaunti-ini cia ruguru iria ikuiganira arutwo a kirathi kia grade 9 thukuru-ini ciothe cia muthingi. Akiaria ri thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kakamega, murugamiriri munene wa githomo gicigo-ini kiu Jared Obiero ni augite ati irathi 12 cia iria igwakwo igukorwo iri thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kakamega ta gicunji kia mubango ucio.
We have come here to launch a very big project that's going to be done by the government in this school. We are constructing 12 new classrooms for grade 9 that grade 9 are going to use come next year. This is in preparation for the transition in the CBC classes. We are happy the government has allocated us in this phase 1, Kakamega County. We have 82 classrooms, and then in phase 2 we'll be having 420 classrooms. The whole of Western region will be doing 2,200 classrooms across all our counties.
Obiero ni ahithuritie na kuga ati kigina kia waki wa irathi icio ni kirutitwo kaunti-ini iria iri na thukuru iria cigwakwo irathi icio, agithingiriria ati aria mehokeirwo kandarathi iyo no aikari kuma gicigo kiu.
One thing I've also seen in the sites that have gone that they gave to our contractors who are local within this region, and I know this project, if we will construct 2,000 classrooms in Western region and the money remains in Western region, is going to be a very big economic impact.
Muikariri gite thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kakamega Dickson Wanyagu undu umwe na bodi iria irugamirire thukuru ucio ni macokietie ngatho kuri thirikari nene ni undu wa kwirutira kwagirithia githomo miena iyo wihariria-ini wa kwamukira arutwo a kirathi kia grade 9 mwaka ukite.
And we also want to appreciate the government for that effort to facilitate the project of CBC, and we have worked with the previous projects in this place, and we have spent minimal amounts in coming out with an excellent structures and piece of work. And this time we are advantaged that we have been given a great job to do.
Githie na mbere na gukumathira maria marathi na mbere na gukunuka guku bururi-ini megie mathomo, njitagwo Njoki wa Maina.